I'm here to tell you right now, you're not late. Go to www.chatgpt.com right now. You're not going to break anything, and this is a sandbox. Consider this your playground to mess up and fail, to do over and over again. Nothing is connected, nothing can be published, nothing changes unless you copy it. Just start typing. Some of the examples listed here below. Take some of these examples. Explain this like I'm new. Help me think out loud. What are 5 options? I'm not sure what I need yet. One sentence is enough. Notice what happened. Nothing bad happened. That's the win. Type, pause, repeat. You got this.